In this video, you will learn how to connect Slack to ChatGPT so you can use information from your Slack workspace in your conversations. First, open ChatGPT on your computer and sign in to your account. Then, click on your profile icon and open Settings. After that, go to Apps and look for Slack in the available apps. Select Slack and click Connect. ChatGPT will ask you to sign in to your Slack account. Choose the Slack workspace you want to connect to ChatGPT, then review the permissions and authorize the connection. If your Slack workspace requires admin approval, you may need to ask your workspace administrator to approve the ChatGPT app. Once the connection is complete, ChatGPT can use information from the Slack channels, threads, and conversations that you have permission to access. You can then ask ChatGPT questions such as, summarize the latest discussions in the marketing channel. You can also ask ChatGPT to find information, summarize conversations, identify action items, or search for specific messages and files in Slack. ChatGPT can only access one Slack workspace at a time, so if you want to connect a different workspace, you will need to disconnect the current one first. If you want to disconnect Slack later, go back to Settings, Open Apps, select Slack, and click Disconnect.